Now let's solve this problem without using trigonometric tables. Evaluate sin 65 degree divided by cos 25 degree plus cos 32 degree divided by sin 58 degree minus sin 28 degree into secant 62 degree plus cosecant square 30 degree. When you will add 65 plus 25, you will get 90. So I can replace this as 90 degree minus theta. 90 degree minus 25 degree. What we will get? 65 degree. Right? Therefore, this sine, I will write as it is. This 65 degree, I can write it as 90 degree minus 25 degree. 90 degree minus 25 degree. Divided by cos 25 degree. Plus, this here, 58 plus 32, we will get 90. Therefore, I can write this as 32 as 90 minus 58 is how much? 32 degree, right? 90 degree minus 58 degree is 32 degree. That is cos, this 32, I will replace it as 90 degree minus 58 degree divided by sin 58 degree. Okay? Minus sin 28 degree, let me write as it is. Now, this secant 62 degree, I can write it as 90 degree minus 28 degree is how much? 62 degree. Therefore, this secant 62, I can replace it as 90 degree minus 28 degree plus cosecant square 30 degree. Okay? Sin 90 degree minus theta is what? Cos theta. Let me rub this. Sin 90 degree minus theta is what? Cos theta. Right? Therefore, sin 90 degree minus 25 degree. In the place of theta, we have 25 degree. Therefore, it will become cos theta. Theta is what? 25 degree. Sin 90 degree minus 25 degree is what? Cos 25 degree. Divided by cos 25 degree. Plus cos 90 degree minus theta is what? Sin theta. Right? Cos 90 degree minus theta is what? Sin theta. Therefore, cos 90 degree minus 58 degree. It will become what? In the place of theta, we have 58 degree. Therefore, sin theta. Theta is what? 58 degree. That is, we can write it as sin 58 divided by sin 58 degree minus sin 28 degree. We know that secant 90 degree minus theta is what? Cosecant theta. Secant 90 degree minus theta is what? Cosecant theta. Here we have secant 90 degree. In the place of theta, we have 28 degree. Therefore, it will become cosecant 28 degree. Secant 90 degree minus 28 degree is cosecant 28 degree plus cosecant square 30 degree. We know that in the trigonometric table, cosecant 30 degree is, what is the value? 2. Here it is square. Therefore, it will become 2 square. See here in the trigonometric table, you have cosecant 30 degree is 2. Since here it is cosecant square 30 degree, we will write it as 2 square. Okay? Here in the question they have given, we should not use the trigonometric table. But To solve this problem, we need the help of trigonometric table. So, we are using. Okay. Now, say this one and this one, they will get cancelled. Therefore, it is 1 plus sin 58 degree, sin 58 degree, it will get cancelled. 1. Now, minus sin 28 degree. Now, here, cosecant, it is the reciprocal of sine. Therefore, cosecant 28 degree, I can write it as 1 by sin 28 degree. 1 by sin 28 degree. Plus 2 square, it will become 4. 1 plus 1 minus. This one and this one, it will get cancelled and it will become 1 plus 4. Plus 1 minus 1, it will get cancelled. 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. And the answer is 5. I have written each step in detail. No need to write in detail. Just for your understanding, I have written in detail. You can reduce the steps. Hope you have understood. Thank you.